I'm Dave Mulvey, and this is the CamStand 19HD. Anyway, this is the same CamStand that they use in the National Archives in Washington, D.C. And it's pretty awesome because it folds. It doesn't take up any room. You could put it in a briefcase, or hell, you could put it in maybe even a purse. But you will have problems at the metal detector because it is solid steel. In fact, the parts on here are steel, stainless steel, and this is aluminum here on the clamp. Okay, what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna clamp this onto the edge of the table. So I'm gonna first loosen this up. You can see the clamp is loose. I'm gonna put it on the edge of the table and I'm gonna clamp it up tight. All right, as you can see, we got adjustments. We got up, down, up, and it tightens up with a clamp. There's a clamp here that sets it up. So if I want to bring it up higher, just tighten it up. Then you'll see that it pivots here, and then there's a tightener here. So that tightens up. And if you want to loosen it at any position, that's all there is to it. Then we have this as an extension here with a lock. See, as you can see that lock up here. And this holds your camera. So okay, I'm back, and I have myself a Canon. This happens to be, because I got so many cameras, a T2i. But anyway, any DSLR will fit on this. The easiest way to mount it is just, there's a screw here, and you just tighten it. Let me show it to you. Okay, I'm gonna try to face it to the camera here. You'll see the screw here? Okay, so you just screw it on clockwise until it's tight. Okay, hold on to the camera and tighten it here. As you can see, you could lengthen it, and then you could change the angle. So everything should be snug. All right, so now you're ready for action. You could, just like a tripod, but it doesn't take up any room. It virtually doesn't take any room at all. Here, I got a whole table here. I could put a document down here. I could put a product down here. It's pretty much endless what you could do. So what it does is it allows you to free up a bunch of space. So when you're doing your photography, your desktop photography, you got all the room in the world, because it virtually takes, got it, probably 4 square inches of room on your table. That's it. That's all it takes. And then you're not tripping on any tripod legs or anything like that, which is a real bummer. That's the reason why I invented the CamStand, because I was sick of tripping on tripods. I mean, tripods have their use, especially outdoors, but indoors, this is where the CamStand really shines, and especially in desktop photography, because in desktop photography, that's a whole nother field. I mean, you got people on eBay, you got people on Etsy, you got people on Amazon, they're selling products. You got to take pictures of those products, and those pictures got to look good, really good. And you can use your phone, that works, but you need something to stabilize either your phone, your camera, whatever, and that's where the CamStand comes into play. And this is a premium CamStand. This one is if you want professional photographs, product photography, document photography. You could even reproduce or digitize. You could digitize paintings. You could artwork, all sorts of things like that. I mean, this is the thing. I'll tell you, this is the product. This is what you need. Check it out. I can bring it up to about 24 inches in height right there. A tripod without a tripod. I mean, can't beat that with a stick. Look at that. Okay, we'll play with angles here. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. Watch. Lower it down so you can see that.